I'll be showing you step by step how to add reviews to your Shopify store. This is going to be a completely free method as well, so make sure you follow along until the end of the video. So the way we're going to add reviews to our store is using one of the most popular Shopify apps. It's called Judge.me and has over 17,000 reviews with a perfect 5-star rating. So that's the app we're going to be using, as it does have a completely free plan with unlimited review requests, photos and videos, and email reviews, a shop syndication, SEO snippets, and it also allows you to curate reviews. So you can find this app on the Shopify App Store, and once you hit this page here, just click the install button and let's go through the install sequence. So first you'll get to the install page, and if you're comfortable with the permissions, click install app. From there, let's go into the onboarding sequence. So to start, you want to select your language, and it's going to select which theme to install. By default, it's going to be your currently installed theme. Here you can see my other copies of my theme. The easiest way is to select your current theme, and then I'll click Start Setup. Next, we need to enable the app embed so the reviews can actually be displayed on our products. So we'll click this Enable App Embed button, and this will open up the Shopify theme settings. It's going to open up the App Embed section on the left-hand side automatically, and it's going to automatically enable the Judge Me reviews. And in order to save this, you want to go to the top right-hand side and click Save. This is going to finalize the app embed setting. So if we go back to our previous tab, we can click next now. And now we want to install the review widget. So I'm going to click install review widget. This is going to open up my Shopify theme section again. And I can see my review widget has been added automatically on the bottom of my product page. So I can drag this around if I want to move it somewhere else, but I think this looks completely fine here at the bottom of my product page. So I'm going to click got it. I'm going to go to the top right hand side and then click save. So I now have my customer review widget enabled. I can see it's also been added to my product description information section with a preview badge as well as a review widget, so a customer can write a review. They can also do so at the bottom of the page. I'm going to go back to the tab I was just on. I'm going to click next step. This brings us to step 3. Now let's install the preview badge, and I'm going to click install preview badge. And so if it wasn't enabled before, it's now been enabled now. So I'm going to drag the preview badge to the top. I can see it is here twice. So I'm just going to remove the extra version. So we just have one preview badge below our product title. Again, you can drag this around where you would like, but I'm just going to click save to finalize that in the top right hand side. I'm going to go back to judge.me in my tab and click finish. So for the basic settings, that's all you have to do. Because again, if I go back to my product page, I can see I have my review preview. I have the write a review section, which I can also remove as it is in the bottom. But if I scroll down even further, I have my review widget at the bottom there. In terms of other customization, I can customize the widget, so the text, design, and placement, as well as enable video and photo sharing. I can import existing reviews. I can request reviews, so automate these requests. So let's start with the customization. I'll just do some basic customization here to show you some of the options. So first, I can customize the color of the widget. Maybe I want it to be a brighter yellow rather than a gold. I can change that color there. You can add a secondary color. You can add different metals. I can see the color has been changed. I can hit save there to finalize those and customize the body, the form. I can see a preview on what it looks like, as well as the review curation section. To note, some of these settings will be blocked by the paid plan. If it's tagged in awesome, you will need to upgrade to edit those features. Next, let's go to the request review section. As I'm sure once you have this app set up, you'll want to start collecting reviews to build up that social proof on your Shopify store. So first, we can set up the timing here. So I can say the sender name. You can customize this. This one just says Masterclass, that's YouTube. You can add a custom email. You can also change the timing. So send review requests for maximum 3 products. I can change this to 2 or even 1. I can send review request 14 days after order fulfillment. And for international orders, I can customize this. Since international orders might take longer, I might customize this to 21 days. You can also change different conditions. So you can send requests, whether it's domestic or international, or you can do both. I would also customize the email templates by updating the logo URL to the logo of your Shopify store. Note, for SMS, it will only be enabled if you have the paid plan, but the email templates can go as well. Note, you will also get statistics here on reviews received, email sent, Q&A received, as well as the average rating for the last 30 days. And if you do have existing reviews, you can import them from other apps, as well as different e-commerce platforms, as well as a CSV file. But in a nutshell, that's how we set up reviews for our Shopify store we can easily get a preview star and a review widget, making it super easy for customers to leave reviews on our Shopify store. This app is also completely free and it's very easy to set up. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. You have your cost of goods sold, your ad spend, your transaction fees, your Shopify app fees. There are so many different things that make it hard to determine your store's true profitability. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator that makes it ridiculously easy to calculate your store's profit. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, and with that you get tons of different details and analytics so you can make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts as well as many cost of goods sold options so you can get a true understanding of your store. You can get a 15-day free trial for this app so you can check out how profitable you actually are, and there's a link in the description below. You can also find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc, so make sure you check it out. You can get real-time calculations and start making better business decisions as you have a clear understanding of your store's performance. So this is going to conclude the video here on how to add reviews for your Shopify store. If this video helped, smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.